Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how does sharing Steam library work. So first of all, double check if the Steam mobile app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to my browser, and here it says from the Steam settings panel, select the family tab, and then you can select users who have also logged into this computer to share your library with. So basically, you need to add the Steam Guard security, so you can add another layer of protection. Secondly, you need to enable or authorize to family share on this computer on your device. And thirdly, you can be able to link your games or family library sharing screen to your device, right? So basically that's how it's done, right? Click the authorized library sharing on this device switch, and then check the box next to the account that you would like to share your library with. So basically this is like how it's done. Demonstration, you just go ahead to the settings on your Steam if you have the Steam app, or Steam program in your PC, or you can just go ahead to your Steam website and then go ahead to the settings, click the family, and then authorize by sharing the on this computer, and basically select the computer that you want to share with, right? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you.